Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. I hope you will consider subscribing to my channel, hit that notification bell, and also come follow me on my Instagram. I did a little shopping and I want to share what I got. Before I unbox, I want to show you all what my SA gave me. So she gave me this. Let me just open it. This 2 bottles of fancy juices. So here, mandarin flavor and raspberry nectar. She's so sweet and kind to me. So let me just put this away. Okay, so let's get started with the unboxing. So here's my receipt. Sadly, my SA told me that they changed to simple packaging, so no more ribbons and Camellia flower, which is kind of disappointing. But anyway, it's okay. So let me open this one first. So you probably know what is this because of the box. Here. This is my first bando from Chanel. There you go. Wow, look, it's so pretty. So this is how it looks. It has 2 colors. So here white, and on the other side it's black. I love the design and the colors. And where's the tag? So here it says 100% silk and it's made in Italy. There, what can you say about my bando? I will be using this for my Coco handle. I will show you later how it looks like. You can also use this as a necktie, like that, or wrap it around as a bracelet, arm bracelet. But I will be using this for my Coco handle. So like this. Okay, so let me open this one. Here's the booklet. So this is my Camellia zip around wallet from 20K collection, caviar leather, and this is in the medium size. The color is rose and it's in silver hardware. So it has this zipper closure with leather pull tab, and this is how it looks inside. Okay, let me show you first the wallet. Here you can see there's CC. I love the Camellia design. And on the back it looks like this. There. So inside, there are 4 card slots. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So 2 bill compartments and 1 zipper compartment where you can put your coins or your extra cards. And here's the authenticity card. It's 30 series. There. Let me check, where is this made from? So it's made in Italy. There. So I love collecting anything Camellia from Chanel. And let me show you my other Camellia SLG to compare the color. This is from 20p collection. And this is in light gold hardware. So this one is silver hardware. And they are both caviar leather. So even though this is in medium size, it can fit perfectly inside my mini or small bag. So let me show you. I have here my Trendy CC Vanity. So you just have to put it over here in front. And then like position it like that. See, it fits perfectly inside my mini bag. So there. I love the color. It's so beautiful in person. I can easily see this inside my bag. Yeah, it's so pretty. I'm so glad I have this to my collection. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed my shopping vlog and my unboxing. Please give me a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and I'll see you next time. Bye!